So here we are passing two variables. These are local variable within the main method, and then we have created a object of this class. Okay, and what we are doing is we are passing we created test sum method. It's a public method, a non-static method. So this will get stored in the stack memory. So yeah, so these two variables, these two are arguments, and in this particular method returns sum. Okay, so we are passing two values which are local variables, and a copy of these variables would be provided here in the test sum method, and here it is using values of x and y to call, and then we are printing the result. We get 30, which is 10 plus 20. So we are using values, a copy of values of x and y, passing here. So these are values. Okay, now coming to the call by reference. Call by reference, many people say that it's an interview question also, where interviewers say, is call by reference possible in Java? So the answer is yes, call by reference is possible in Java. So what we have to do is we have to create two global variables, two global class variables. So what we are doing here is we are assigning this value. So if we check the diagram over here, so what is happening here is we are assigning, yeah, so this is an object where p and q are the variables that are assigned to this particular object. Why p and q? Because p and q are class variables, so they are non-static, so they will get stored in the copy of them will be given to the object. Yeah, so we have the swap method. So what we are going to do is we are going to give value to these p and q. So what will be the value? How will we give? We can't give like this p, because it will show an error. Why? Because this is non-static. Okay, so what we are doing is we are using it to give value to p and q. Now the swap method takes value which is a reference variable. What we are doing is we are assigning these, we created a temp variable, assigned, swap the values using this method, and when we execute this method, okay, and we have to give the reference variable. So here what is the reference variable is obj, what we have created here. So we pass that here, and then when we try to print out the values of p and q, so here we have reversed. Initially it was 20 and 30, now it got 30 and 20. So this is the point, this is call by reference. Here we are referring to this particular object and not calling by value using value of variables. So this is it.